Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like everyone else seems confident, but inside you feel unsure of yourself? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build real confidence starting from nothing. How to build confidence from nothing. Start by believing in your own potential. Practice daily and watch it grow. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you could join me for another episode of Africa Talks. Today we have some incredible stories from across the continent. Today we're talking about something many people struggle with at some point in life. Confidence. Some people think confidence is something you are born with, but the truth is confidence is something you build. If you have ever doubted yourself, felt like you are not good enough, or felt afraid to try new things, this message is for you. In the next few minutes, I will share simple steps and help you start building confidence, even if you feel like you have none right now. Let's talk about what confidence really is. It's not just acting bold, it's a deep belief in your own worth and abilities. True confidence comes from within, from knowing your value. Build it through action. Let's talk about what confidence really is. It's not just acting bold, it's a deep belief in your own worth and abilities. True confidence comes from within, from knowing your value. Build it through action. Confidence is not about being perfect. Confidence is trusting yourself enough to take action even when you feel uncertain. Many people wait until they feel ready after you act something, not before. Every time you try something new, speak up, learn a skill, or push past fear, your confidence becomes stronger. Confidence is built through experience. Start with small wins. One of the best ways to build confidence is creating small victories. You don't need to change your whole life in one day. Start small. Maybe you decide to wake up earlier. Maybe you learn a new skill online. Maybe you speak up in a meeting. Each small success sends a message, I can do this. Those small wins slowly build a stronger belief in yourself. Another powerful step is changing the way you talk to yourself. Many people destroy their confidence with negative thoughts like, I'm not good enough, I always fail, or I can't do this. I'm not smart enough, I'm not talented, I can't do this, but your mind listens to the words you repeat. Instead, start telling yourself, I am learning, I am. Inner voice becomes supportive instead of critical. Confidence increases when you become more capable. The more skills you develop, the more prepared you feel. You can learn skills like communication, public speaking, and even podcasting. Keep learning, keep growing. Communication, digital marketing, design, public speaking, leadership. Knowledge gives you power, and power builds confidence. One of the biggest confidence killers is comparison. When you constantly compare your journey to someone else, you forget that everyone starts somewhere. Focus on your own growth. Your only competition should be the person you were yesterday. Confidence is not something that appears overnight. It grows step by step, action by action, and decision by decision. Start small. Believe in your ability to grow. Keep learning. Keep showing up. The version of you that you dream about already exists inside you. You just have to keep building it. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs encouragement today. And remember, your growth journey starts now.